In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as a French translator in under 2 minutes. Whether you're learning French, communicating with a friend overseas, or simply curious about how ChatGPT can serve as a convenient translation tool, this guide will take you through the quick and easy process of transforming English text into French with just a few clicks. To begin, open up your web browser of choice and head over to Google. We're starting here because it's a reliable and straightforward way to reach ChatGPT. Once you're on the Google homepage, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar. Now, click the search button and you'll see several results showing up. You're looking for the official ChatGPT website, so go ahead and click on the correct link once you spot it. After you've navigated to the ChatGPT website, you'll find yourself on the platform's main page. This is where all the magic happens. Have the text you'd like to translate ready at this point. You can either type it out or, if you have it stored elsewhere, simply copy and paste it into the input box on the site. This saves time and helps ensure accuracy, especially with longer text passages. Now that you've got your text in the input box, it's time to make your translation request clear to ChatGPT. Formulate a prompt that specifies your needs. A simple way to do this would be to say something like, "Translate this text from English to French." Adding clear instructions helps the AI understand exactly what you want, thereby reducing the chance of any misinterpretations. Once you've crafted your prompt, you're ready to take the next step. The next part is incredibly straightforward. Click on the Submit button. This action sends your prompt along with the text to ChatGPT, prompting the AI to work its translation magic. You'll likely see a quick processing message or animation as it processes your request. Finally, within moments, you'll have your translation ready. Voila! Your English text is now elegantly translated into French right before your eyes. You can now read, save, or use this translated content as needed. It's worth mentioning that while ChatGPT does a wonderful job with translations, it's always a good idea to double-check the nuances or context-specific elements, especially for professional or high-stakes uses. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT as a French translator is as simple as that. A user-friendly, efficient method to bridge language gaps in just a minute or two. Whether you're on a tight schedule or just seeking quick results, ChatGPT has you covered. Happy translating!